For auction is this Buell air horn. It's self-powered type, meaning it has this canister with a plunger in it, and if by pulling back on the piston here, it blows this horn. Pretty cool item. It is older. Some denting on the horn. Nothing bad. There's a little bit of a dent on the very edge of the bell. It's about 30 inches long overall. The horn's probably 27 inches. The canister's about 24 inches long. Let's see how it sounds. Give it a few pulls. Give it a few tugs here on this cord. So if you do pull it at the proper speed, it does emit a nice loud burst. Thanks for looking. Check out the pictures for more up-close details of this Buell air horn.